In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about getting started with affiliate marketing. So, if you're eager to earn some commissions by promoting products or services you genuinely use and trust, you're in the right place. What makes affiliate marketing so appealing is that you don't need to create your very own products, manage customer service, or even have a massive audience. Success in this field is all about making genuine recommendations based on trust. The approach we're going to discuss today is inspired by Jenna, and it emphasizes starting small, being authentic, and naturally incorporating affiliate links into your content. First up, let's talk about creating a dedicated landing page. This will be your hub for showcasing one particular affiliate product. You'll want to include personal photos, testimonials from real users, FAQs, and of course, infuse it all with your own unique voice. This tailored presentation builds credibility and gives potential buyers the context they need to make a purchase decision confidently. Next, building an email list is crucial. With email, you can reach your audience directly and promote products in a way that feels personal and engaging. An effective strategy to grow your list is offering free guides or lead magnets, something valuable that encourages people to subscribe. Platforms like Flowdesk can make this process easier with their visually appealing templates and user-friendly interface. Once you've got your list, you can segment your subscribers based on their interests, allowing for more targeted and effective promotions. When it comes to social media, storytelling is your best friend. Rather than aggressively pushing sales, focus on sharing your personal experiences with the products you promote. Use stories, problem-solving tips, or even before and after photos to highlight the benefits. Day-in-the-life reels or honest reviews are also excellent ways to engage your audience authentically. Now, let's address some common mistakes you'll want to avoid. One big error is promoting too many products at once. It's important to start with just one or two to build trust and credibility. Remember, transparency is key. Always disclose when you're using affiliate links. It's not just about honesty. It's about maintaining and building credibility with your audience. Also, avoid using generic descriptions. Personal experience and your unique perspective are much more compelling. Ignoring the power of storytelling is another missed opportunity. Context and anecdotes can significantly boost engagement. Finally, don't skip analytics. Track your clicks, conversions, and audience behavior to constantly refine and improve your strategy. Keeping an eye on these metrics helps you understand what works and what doesn't, allowing you to adapt and grow more effective over time. So, to wrap up, the essential takeaways are to start small, be authentic, and focus on the products you genuinely love. Build your email list, create helpful landing pages, and prioritize sharing stories over just dropping links. Affiliate marketing is most effective when it feels natural and aligns with your brand. To help you on your journey, Jenna offers a free guide titled How to Make Your First Affiliate Sale, perfect for beginners looking to start without feeling overwhelmed. Happy marketing!